Alright guys, we're back with another vlog. We just gotta get this girl a little oil change. Me and Cisco are gonna go get the oil change done at his house. I'm just gonna get the jack, we'll pick up the oil filter and stuff like that, and let's get it rolling.
You might catch me running through my side of town, even though I run it when I'm not around. Say I'm acting shady cause I'm shining now. Pull up in that Escalade, you know I'm gassed up. I keep it 100 like my fucking dashboard. On another wave, yeah, we ain't in the same boat. Fake it till you make it, that's some shit I can't do. Don't tell no lies about me, won't tell the truth about you. I know they believed that I would break down. They said I was crazy, guess I ain't now.
Alright guys, I found the oil pan. Now we gotta open the bolt, which is right over, it's over there.
You always need protection. Always keep the rubbers with you.
Yeah, Cisco. Shots fired at your own self. So we gotta take that bolt off real fast. Oil is gonna come out. It's really hot. So yeah. Let me just feel it. No, it's too small. Ooh, nice. Fits. Perfecto. Oh yeah. What if that oil is hot?
Oh yeah, it's gonna be hot. Loki.
Huh?
Nah, Loki's right here.
Ooh, I feel it. It's about to burst. You have it?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I can just twist. Ooh, look at that. Look at the final drip. Ooh, the first drip.
Dang. First time and it's already
Oh my god. She a squirter.
Yeah, so it was your first time, you got it dripping.
Oh yeah.
Just a couple moves with that finger and it's already squirting.
Hey, look, let me get the first clickbait real fast. Does it look cool?
No, you look kind of stupid. If you have like explosions near it, like T-Rexes with like guns.
Cool?
I guess, yeah. Like first time couldn't find the hole.
Behind the scenes on. Ooh, it's about to fill up.
Was it hot?
It's warm.
It's warm. Okay. That's why I wasted time.
All the oil just came out. So now we gotta pull the pan back out.
Okay, just put it off to the side over here.
Holy water.
That stuff burns.
What, holy water?
Yeah.
How are we gonna pour that back in there?
The funnel?
We're gonna pick that up slowly.
Yep.
You make it seem so simple. I guess it's just my first time.
Oh.
All right, now we gotta find the oil filter. Fun. We got the new filter in there. So now what we gotta do? Easy, right? Just put her in. Just fill her up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Empty. Gotta get the good shot now. What we've been waiting for. Oh yes. There you go, Cisco. Now you're getting creative. Gotta get that slow-mo. With my V8, you know. I mean, V8.
So I took my truck in today, and my alternator bearing's going out.
My muffler bearing is.
Good? No, that's not a thing.
No. We done. You're trying
Whose
this.
car is
You do it.
You got this. I have on white shoes. I'm not doing it.
Okay. I have a white skin. I have on white skin, dude.
Don't spill any.
It's like chocolate.
Yum.
I don't know how much is in the bottle right now.
Keep on going. Stop.
Where's that little?
Oh yeah, keep on going. You feel the whole thing.
Bro. Wait a minute.
Oh yeah. So,
Oh.
you gotta drink that.
I ain't drinking that. No. I'll get that brake cleaner like you said.
Alright, here, hold this. Oh, did it not?
No.
Well, take the nozzle out.
There's still more oil in there.
Is there?
Yeah.
Oops.
Cisco.
Was it me?
Yeah, I listened. This is too big. I mean, this is too small.
That's not the cap?
No.
Where's the cap?
Oh man, why did I
Oh,
listen to you?
So I guess there's an air bubble.
No, maybe you just forgot about all this.
Oh.
Wrong calculation.
Yeah, I'm not good at astronomy.
Yeah, you're good at geometry, like you said. Alrighty. Got the mess cleaned up, sorta. Right?
Yep. Kinda.
Kinda, sorta. Made a little spill, but got the brake cleaner. Get it all pulling up. Now we gotta drop her down. But I'm sure there's some grime. It's funny. Every time you put gloves on, you always want to take them off. Alrighty, dropped her down. Yeah, my fitment is still pretty bad. Hey guys, drop it in the comment. Should I drop my car like coilovers or should I just get meatier tires? Drop it in the comments. Let's turn her on, get the oil flowing. And yeah, I believe that's it. Gotta restart the computer. So the computer knows that I got an oil change.
Testing. System ready.
You know what this reminds me of? And like on GTA when you got put in like cheat codes.
Testing.
Reset. Yeah guys, we're gonna go get something to eat, get a haircut, and please like, comment, and share. And as always,
Keep it sexy.
alright guys, thanks for watching. Keep it sexy.